Okay? So right now we have lost a lot of information about the ancient Mayas because in 1562, the Bishop of Yucatan, Diego de Landa, saw that the Mayas, Charlie was showing you the snake, right? You remember, you as a Catholic Spanish, coming here in the 1500s, they went crazy. They said, how dare you? How can you adore a snake? For the Catholic people, that was related to sin, to evil, but not for the ancient Mayas. So the Spanish, the Catholic Spanish, the Franciscan friars, had a wonderful idea to set everything on fire. They broke the whole Inquisition as well. There were tortures and punishments for those who kept practicing the Mayan religion. So they forced the Mayas to be converted into Catholic people. Now about 80% of the population are Catholic. But also, sometimes they used to put there the Virgin Mary, for example. The Spanish said, please make a statue, a figure of the Virgin Mary. And the Mayas used to pray the Virgin Mary. They had a secret. They used to put, for example, the rain god inside the Virgin Mary. So when they were praying to the Virgin Mary, they were really praying to the rain god inside. But the Spanish didn't notice. So that's the way they keep the religion from right? Then it was discovered and they get really upset. Okay? But yes, there was a fast roof over here as well as lost. And the priest was there and also there. So all of the songs were dancing from some previous Mayan pyramids. Okay? So that was the priest used to.
The Mayans did it. The Spanish gave the order. They tell them how to do it, but the Mayans, they were holding the stones. They were placing the stones there. And that's why Mayan hide symbols there. They put some stones with symbols. And the Spanish, they had no idea. So when the Mayans were there, they were praying. Of course, they were praying, but they were praying their own gods. All right? Let me show you the proof. All right, please. Come with me, my friends. Take a look at these carvings right there. All right, these carvings, they're very similar. Please follow the light. Do you see the light? No. It's on the corner now. All right, let me. Oh,
Too bright.
too bright.
Sun's getting covered again.
There it goes.
In the corner.
Oh, that's it. Yeah.
All right. Just follow slowly. Right here.
There it is.
All right.
Right.
That's it. It's a similar symbol to the
See?
one we saw
Straight.
before.
There's a
And if you go
carving
down,
right there.
follow down here.
Right.
Another
There's a
one
little
here.
green light
Okay.
that he's moved
All
down.
right. All right. And if you go to the right,
Yeah.
right corner.
Straight up
Right
there's
here.
some carvings.
Yeah.
His light's over there now.
All right. For the Spanish, that was only a stone. Place it there. All right. For the Mayans, it means more. This first one I show you. This one looks clear. All right.
See it
You
in there.
can see like rhomboids shapes. All right. Rhomboid shapes are exactly the same design that the rattlesnake has on their backs. When you put these rhomboids together, it will complete a line, and the lines on the top, on the low, they will form the body of the snake. When they place them together, that's how they make a big snake represented there. But they can put all the snake there because Spanish never noticed. So that's why they put only one part of the snake. And when they were here, they were praying to their own gods. All right? They were smart, my friends. All right?